You know the tradition. You shovel out your parking spot out on the street. It's then yours for the next 48 hours when you put down that space saver. And boy, anything can play the part, like an old chair right there. But those space savers are now on borrowed time.
Yeah, in fact, the deadline just passed at 6 o'clock this evening. And as WBZ's Logan Hall found out, some people are not ready to let them go.
Creativity be spared, Mayor Michelle Wu says space savers need to be out by Thursday night.
We'll have 48 hours after the end of the snow emergency to remove your space savers. At that point, our crews and trash pickup trucks will be removing them.
And neighbors in Southie aren't too happy about it.
I think if someone's out here for hours shoveling out their spot, they should be given more than 48 hours to save a spot. I mean, if they want to, make people stop saving the spots, then maybe the city should come out and shovel the spots out for them.
Residents like Pauline Bear aren't hard to come by, and neither are mass amounts of space savers still holding down spots. Southie neighbors Bobby and Reese spent their afternoon shoveling out their car.
We've been getting, obviously all that snow, and then it just immediately got a little bit sunny and hot. It's just been melting into ice, and the slush underneath's been brutal.
They understand the point city officials are trying to make, but they say it's just too early to ask people to move their space savers, particularly when the city has yet to remove piles of snow like these created by DPW plows.
I think once those are all moved, it'd be fine to take the spot savers out, but while they're still out and spots are looking slim, it might be fair.
I do get where they're coming from, but I think if you shovel out your own spot, you should have the right to that for at least until the snow is gone.
Friday is trash day along their stretch of street, so time will tell if these remaining space savers survive. In Southie, I'm Logan Hall, WBZ News.